gave me this opportunity to shoot for the bridal magazine of theirs. The experience has been wonderful because I had a great team from your side, and I had a great team of photographer and the stylist and the makeup artist, and it's just like as an actor I realize that like this is just something that makes us more creative. It's just we do new something new every time, so it's fun. And it was about this, like you said, the resort bride, like who likes to go a little easy comparatively rather than like a typical North Indian wedding that hopefully I will have. So it's nice and it's easy. The shoot was fun. It's a great magazine. I'm really honored to be on a cover of such a magazine, and yeah, thank you so much.
And I'm sure a lot of photo shoots as well. What was about this photo shoot that stood out, and about being a part of the bridal mantra that made it kind of special?
I think for me the big thing is that that it was the Hindu group in itself. I think that's what mattered more for me because that they started something which is fashion based, so that's what mattered. And I think secondly, it's just if you see the shoot, it's very easy. It's just something that I think I would like for brides to be, to see that okay, a wedding, especially I think if it's a summer wedding or a beach wedding, you don't have to go heavy. Because as Indians, we have to see what our parents want, we have to see what we want. So it's just this shoot depicts that, okay, you can have a resort wedding or a big fat Indian wedding, but still make it simple and easy. And such things, they really help, right? I know when I was not a model or an actor, when my cousin was getting married, the only thing she'll do is pick up such magazines. Because it helps them see that, oh, we can do this styling, we can look a certain way. So I'm glad that I'm able to help the brides to be.
Are you going to be a fussy bride?
No, I don't think so. I think I'm going to be the easiest because we've shot so much that I think we'll just be like, okay, just wear a salwar kameez or a normal sari and just go and get married. Thank you. For me, the best thing is that it's with the Hindu group. I think with me, the good thing is that it's with a Hindu group. I'm working first time. It's a very prestigious company and newspapers that they have. And Bridal Mantra, it's just, I think if I'm not wrong, it's just their 5th edition. And they every time they try and bring something new for the brides out there. And trust me, like brides are always like Godzilla, they always want something new and something different. So I think it's good that the more magazines are out there, the more different styles you see, the better it is.
Talk about the mantra, the bridal mantra. What's your mantra for being a bride?
I think I don't have a mantra right now to be a good bride. I've not been yet one, but I think you can't expect a bride to be good because she has 1,000 things. She's leaving a house, and she's going to someone else's house, getting married, the shoes, the clothes, the makeup. So I think just booking everything in advance, I think, is what makes sense.